At Real Power, we provide winding, spooling, and coiling machines for flexible materials.
From cable to wire to hose and take-up and payout equipment.
Our products go into many different applications. Electric vehicles, 4G to 5G conversion, as well as fiber optic plants.
We make the spooling and cabling equipment to wind it up in a proper way or to cut it at certain lengths.
Our products are made in America and they're shipped all over the world.
When you're working on a project, you can go out and talk to the guy who's making it. It's not just being able to see that product put together, it's being able to see the people who are doing that.
Knowing all the components, sizes, gauges, of being able to read the schematics and then wiring up from those. It is challenging, but I really enjoy doing what I do.
Our engineers are very hands-on. They get involved in the process. They are able to design the machine and then watch it be built through the facility.
Getting to sit and design a piece of equipment that you see on a computer screen to watching it actually made, cut on a laser, put in the machine shop, and then physically hold the part that you've created is something that's pretty cool and one of the things that I really like about Real Power.
The input from our staff and our production employees is very important to this company. We value what they have to say.
I feel appreciated, and at the end of the day, you feel good about what you did.
They take interest in their employees, offering benefits, and they make sure that we're taken care of.
Our people, our employees, are very happy with the benefits package that we offer. Very affordable. It's one of the best around in the city.
I think it's a friendly, enjoyable workplace.
Management or even the CEO take the time just to say thank you and you're doing a great job.
I enjoy the environment and I can see myself working here for a very long time and even retiring from here. I'm here for the long haul.
There's two things that make a business: the people and the products. At Real Power, we attract top talent. We want the best people, the best products, and the best facilities.